Hello, engineers. Let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the FAST REE board examination. So yung problem natin is approximately how far away must an isolated positive point charge of 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8 coulombs in order for it to produce an electric potential of 100 volts. The charge is phase with electric permittivity or epsilon sub 0 equal to 8.85 times 10 to the power of negative 12 coulomb squared per Newton meter squared. So let's solve this problem using conventional solution. First, let's illustrate the problem. So sabi sa problem is meron daw tayong electric charge tapos yung value niya is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8 coulombs. And then, we also have our reference point. Ito yung ating reference point. So sabi sa problem, gaano daw dapat kalayo itong electric charge doon sa ating reference point in order for it to produce an electric potential equal to 100 volts. So let's use this formula. P is equal to K times Q over D. Yung B natin is the potential difference in volts. Q is the electric charge in coulombs. D is the distance in meters. And K is equal to 9 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter squared per coulomb squared. So let's use this formula. B is equal to K times Q over D. Then substitute lang natin yung mga value. For our B or electric potential equal to 100, which is equal to K natin is 9 times 10 to the power of 9. Q natin which is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8 all over sa unknown natin na distance. So therefore, distance is equal to 9 times 10 to the power of 9 times 1 times 10 raised to the power of negative 8 all over 100. So using your calculator, so we have 9 times 10 to the power of 9, 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8 all over 100. So equal natin. So therefore, we have a distance of 0.9 meters. So therefore, kailangan nating magkaroon ng 0.9 meters na distance from our reference point in order for it to produce an electric potential of 100 volts. So therefore, D is equal to 0.9 meters is our final answer. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.